What's up, Queen Divas? So today I am going to show you how to dip chocolate covered Oreos without making a mess. So let's get started. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and bell button to keep up with all of my videos. So let's go ahead and get started. So all you need is an Oreo mold, your Oreos, and your chocolate. I have already done a video on how to melt chocolate. So basically, after I melted my chocolate, I put my chocolate in a piping bag. You can also use a Ziploc bag. So what I have learned is just to pipe my chocolate inside of these molds to prevent chocolate from being everywhere. So this is what works for me, and I hope it works for you guys as well. So go ahead and pipe your chocolate in. Go ahead and get your Oreos. I just use the regular size. I don't use the double stuffed Oreos. I just use the regular size Oreos. Now go ahead and tap, tap, tap to get the chocolate evened out. And now you're going to place each Oreo on top of the chocolate. I lightly place the Oreos on top of the chocolate. I do not press down on the Oreos because if I press down on the Oreos too hard, the Oreo is going to come through the chocolate. So I never press down. So I'm getting my piping bag to pipe my chocolate on top of the Oreo to complete these dipped chocolate covered Oreos. So use your piping bag or your Ziploc bag and just pour the chocolate over the Oreo. So after you top the Oreos with the chocolate, go ahead and put these Oreos in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes and then pop them right out. So this is why I believe a piping bag or a Ziploc bag is the best way to do chocolate covered Oreos, because as you can see, I do not have any chocolate going over onto the mold. The chocolate is staying right inside the circle. It's not overflowing, no type of way. So it's not messy. You don't have to clean this up. You just put it in the freezer. You put this mold in the freezer and you just let it sit in the freezer 5 to 10 minutes and you pop them right out. So give it a tap, tap, tap and place them in the freezer 5 to 10 minutes and you pop them out like this. Okay guys, so we're pretty much done here, and you can decorate your Oreos however you would like. But since Halloween is coming up, I am going to do a little Halloween decoration here. I'm going to drizzle a little chocolate over the Oreo and sprinkle the lines with Halloween colored sprinkles. And pretty much I'm done, so you can just watch. So after you drizzle lines over your Oreos, just sprinkle your Oreo with sprinkles, and after you do that, just give it a little shake and look, ta-da! Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button and that bell button for notifications to keep up with me and all of my videos. Make sure you share my videos and also tell your friends and family about my channel. Bye-bye. Have a good day.